Yeah, first coat is on and I'm not really happy.
We did have some runs.
Look at it. Cleaning those lenses popped it up. Yo, welcome back, folks. Yes, the Skyline is wrapped, ready for paint. And yes, I'm using my airless paint. Don't judge me, it's easier and less hassle. Plus, it's white. I'm painting the white. I'm not painting the clear just yet. But see, the plan is hood, trunk, and this side. I'm not painting the roof just yet. I'm not painting the other side. That will be on a later stage, because once this one is painted, and hopefully if I'm lucky enough, I might actually paint the clear as well, then get the car out, turn it, put it back in. That way I can work on the body work on the other side. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I've got a couple things over here that I need to work on. They're small, but they're one too many. So you've got one in the corner over here, one on the door, and so on and so forth. Bumper, we're not gonna paint it because it's already been painted. It's not cleared yet, so I guess when the time comes to it, I can just remove that, and that way we can just basically paint it. But this is the main thing that I need to paint, and alongside with this one. You've seen it before. I've got my mixing stuff over here, and this is my painters. So this shutter will go down. It splits two garages. Man, it's been a while since I've seen this. Yeah, created a bit of a mess. Anyways, so the plan is mix the paint, ratio 2:1, one paint to reducer, mix it up and smack the crap out of it. Sounds like a good idea and good a plan. So let's get going. Yeah, first coat is on and I'm not really happy.
We did have some runs. And when I say some, I say
Shitload of them. But that's fine. That's fine. See? Some runs over here, some runs over here. The rest is actually in pretty decent shape. Now remember, first coat is usually, this is when it adheres to the surface, and when if there's any problem, it starts appearing. I would say so far it's not bad. Sorry, let the camera adjust. Yeah, I still need to basically finish this one. This is where the body filler used to be, and the rest basically it's gonna take a bit more to do it. That's fine. The runs, we can easily sort them out. How? Once it's completely dry, and before we apply the clear, we can wet sand the area. But for me to wet sand the area, ensure that I'm not gonna burn through the paint, I need to ensure that it's actually properly painted. So I'm gonna mix another coat, apply it, and wish for the best. I would say we've done a pretty good job, all things considered. Yes, we still do have the runs, but it's basically became less of a problem than what they used to. But beside that, check it out. Unified color, all in all. See, these are the runs that I have, which is basically wet sand should solve the problem. Wow. Yeah, see, now you can see the damage and how I tried to fix it. Tried to get the actual curve, but I wasn't able to. But hey, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, we're not aiming for perfection. We're aiming for a good-ish job. And voila, this is the hood. Yeah, I know the sun is in the way, but there you go. Not bad. Really happy. Now, because of the runs that we have, sadly, we are not going to paint the clear just yet. What we will do, basically remove all this plastic and let it until it's fully cured and dry. Then we can work on basically wet sanding it. Maybe when we paint this side and we mask and all, if we were successful enough, we paint the whole car in clear. I don't know, but for now I'm just gonna wrap it up, and I've got a lot of cleaning to do. Cool. Welcome back. There you go. It's been already 24 hours since we painted, so this is the next day. Sun is out, garage is up, all is good. And the best part, once the paint settled, it actually worked in my favor. You can barely see, I don't know if the reflection is good, but over here there is slight, what do you call it? Paint runs. And over here, yeah, this is basically visible. So wet sand with 1500. Go slightly slow, and that should solve the problem. Once that is done, I don't know, I'm tossing between leaving it as is until I paint the other side, then I'll paint it all at once over, or whilst I already got it over here, I'll just do another paint. Because whilst the hood is painted, you still can see some leftover marks from the body filler, which means the white itself, I mean it's white to begin with, it could be that it's not fully transparent or covers the area. Even the handle, it's actually pretty good. And over here you can see the mess, and this is the color difference. I deliberately did not mask this area, that way the paint got in between and covered it all up. So smart move. I'm gonna keep the masking over here because chances are I might need to mask it again when I paint the clear. So at least for now, let it be. All right, let's quickly do our business, and hopefully that concludes it, and we'll move on to something else. I know what you're thinking, it's mask the game. Well, there's a good reason. I've sanded it, so it looks way much better, but in doing so, the edges, I was a bit harsh, let's just say. So definitely it needs another paint. Over here, it's practically gone, so I'm really happy with that. But since I've already sanded just a bit, I figured, well, since I already got it here, might as well see. Now you can see the reflection. See the color? Yeah, so this one needs at least 2 coats just to kind of complete it. But beside that, there you go, it's already ready. And I used the cheaper masking tape, I got it on Temu. It does the job and it's way much cheaper, so I figured might as well just go with that. This will be just technically 1 coat of paint, and it'll be pretty much ready for me to flip it around and start working on the other side. But so far, I'm really, look at the, see? Same color, really good. And look over here, it's not painted, but over here I actually painted it. So it does look OEM, especially with the whole color fading in a way. Really happy with that. Okay, now I just need to wax, grease, remove any dirt that left, because yeah, I did leave some, and give it a bit of a paint, and that should conclude today's job. Hey everyone, yes, you can see the shine. We actually painted the last remaining white base, and after that we moved into the clear. 3 coats. I applied 3 coats of clear. Yep, I had a bit of a spillage. This is run from the gun itself. I haven't cleaned the gun properly, hence it did happen, so it's okay. Wet sand this area and spray paint it afterwards on polish, we should be good. But beside that, look at this shine. Now I know, it's not going to be 100% perfect, simply because, guys, just remember, airless. I'm using airless, I'm not using the proper tool for it. So please keep that in mind. But looking at it, I would say it is pretty damn good. After it dries by a week or so, we can polish it, and that should smoothen the surface and gives it a bit of more shine. But beside that, I'm really happy. Whoopsie, yeah, time to clean things up and get all the masking tape out and clean the garage. This was actually pretty good because now I can wash it feeling that comfortably about it. Sweet, time to clean. It's not perfect, but I like it. I can see the shine. I'm really happy with how it turned out to be. And with basically job in the garage, man, the shine, I like it. I see now. We removed all the tape. This black suits it properly. And see, despite the fact that it has some dings here and there, the fact that it's white, it's a bit forgiving. Now, as you can see, I've emptied the back. So the plan of attack is get this beat out, turn it, put it back in. Show the ass of the beast should be here. Why? Because we need to work on the other side. And there you go. This is the other side. I can see a ding over here, and look at the door. You've got a couple of dings here and there, so we definitely need this, plus the roof. So now, officially speaking, we only have this side to do, and the roof. A couple of dings. I don't know if you can see them. Somewhere here. Yeah, there you go, with the reflection. You are able to see it. Yeah, and door. I'll try to do a better job on this side than that side. Mind you, this fender, I haven't painted it clear at all. That's why you can see the difference between both. This one is matte, this one is clear. Not bad. Alright, let's wrap it up, guys. Garage is clean and washed properly. Even this side of the wall. Perfect. There you go. The beast in its temporarily new place. So you see, this whole side is clean. It's all done. This side, this is what we need to work on. We need to wet sand, we need to fix up whatever needs to fix up, but luckily, at least this one is done already. So from here onwards, hopefully it should be easy fix. But besides that, I'm really happy. Good job, good job. I was debating, should I put the spoiler or not? Now, paint-wise, it's actually good. I can actually put it, but the problem is because it gets out just a bit. So if I'm going to do it over here, then that's going to create a bit of a problem for me. But then again, I'm not too rushed, not too fast. I might actually even put the tail lights as well, just so that I've already got them. Might as well just sort it out. Yeah, I've got some runs over here. This is clear, by the way. It's not showing properly, but a quick wet sand should fix the problem. And those smudges. But beside that, hello there. Not bad. Not bad. I know. I couldn't wait. Today is the next day. So yes, I gave it 24 hours. And you can see it's more shiny. That is because I polished. Yep. I used my guys. Yep. Now, granted, the more you do it, the shinier it gets. Now I can see the shine is way much better. So I've only done the trunk and a bit of the boot or the thingy. This one, I mean, it's smoother. I'll give you that. It is smoother. I still got those runs that I need to get rid of. I can sand them, but I'll risk burning through the paint. So I'd rather not. Anyways, I thought I'll just do this. Let me see if I can put tail lights on and the spoiler and see how it's gonna look like. Ready? Mad. It looks sick. For the record, the spoiler is not mounted, it's just placed. The trunk is not actually closed, it's just held into place. So yes, gaps wise, don't be fussed about it. Look at it. Cleaning those lenses popped it up. Boy. I love it. Wait until we put the emblem, the Nissan and the 350 GT and everything. Yeah, and more polish. Boy. Finally, we are heading into the right direction. I'm gonna continue polish. And after that, I might actually mount this one completely. But you see, this is what I've been telling you guys about. This area. This area needs paint. And the only way for me to paint it is to lift the trunk up, or this one, not to have it here. That's why I'm not mounting it. But yay. I love it. Now I can say, if you like what you see, stick around until next episode. Till then, you take care of yourself. Yalla.